Hey y'all, it's CJ. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's 3-day pour. I'm working on a 20 by 30 inch canvas today, and it barely fits in frame. But I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I'm beginning by laying 3 puddles. My first color is deep violet. Next, I'm laying some light magenta. My third color is cobalt blue. All of the mixing instructions you can find in the description box. Next, dioxidine purple, deep yellow, quinacridone orange, this is alizarin red, this is orange mixed with a little bit of the magenta. Lastly, I'm putting some deep turquoise in the center. I'm using my craft stick here to make a design and run these 3 petals together. I've decided to add some of the pearl mix into each puddle. I'm going to begin tilting now. I'll join you guys again at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. I am putting this white on these areas that are muddy. These are pearls trying to merge, and they're a little muddy, so I'm just adding a little bit more pearl mix to those areas only. Be careful with this. If you just go around adding this anywhere, it's going to turn out just looking like white dots. But if you get a pearl cell that's emerging, and just add a drop or two, it accelerates that, and it takes out that murkiness that some cells have.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm lying, and I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter you from pain. And oh my love, the seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I won't.
For joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love this piece. I think it turned out beautifully. Please do subscribe if you have not done so yet.
I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.